Imagine, just for a moment, having the full power of ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, and Google Gemini right there on your PC. No need for an internet connection, no privacy concerns to worry about, and forget those pesky monthly fees. It's just raw, private AI power, all under your control. In today's world, AI is transforming every field you can think of, from content creation to automation, business operations to personal productivity. Having your own AI lab isn't just a futuristic idea, it's practical, powerful, and believe it or not, possible today. So let's dive deep into why setting up a local AI platform with OpenWebUI, LiteLLM, Ollama, and Comfy UI could completely change the way you work, create, and innovate forever. We all love using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Google Gemini. They're polished, they're fast, and they're super accessible. But beneath the surface, cloud AI comes at a cost, and it's not just about money. Your conversations might be logged, and your data could be used for training. You're limited by subscription tiers, and you depend entirely on someone else's servers, policies, and uptime. And here's the kicker. Most users have no idea that their most sensitive information, business plans, source code, personal details, is being uploaded, stored, and potentially reviewed. If you value data sovereignty, performance, cost control, or customization, then honestly, you're already outgrowing the cloud model. Enter the local AI revolution. With tools like OpenWebUI, LiteLLM, Ollama, and Comfy UI, you can build a full-stack private AI ecosystem right on your Windows PC. So let's break it down. OpenWebUI gives you a clean, easy-to-use local chat interface that mimics ChatGPT. LiteLLM is your bridge. It lets you use both local and remote LLMs with a consistent API. Ollama allows you to download and run powerful large language models like Llama, Mistral, and Gemma locally. And Comfy UI provides a drag-and-drop visual interface for image generation and automation workflows. Together, they form a flexible, open-source powerhouse for generative AI workflows. No vendor lock-in, no usage limits, just freedom. Every prompt you type into a cloud AI tool becomes part of a data pipeline you don't control. But with local AI, your data stays right on your machine. You don't need to anonymize sensitive information, and you don't need to trust third-party terms and conditions. You simply own the full process. This is a game changer for developers, legal professionals, healthcare teams, researchers, and anyone dealing with confidential material. Need GDPR or HIPAA compliance? Local AI simplifies it by design because nothing ever leaves your infrastructure. Subscriptions can quietly drain your budget. Want to chat with GPT-4? That's $20 a month. Need image generation? That's another subscription. Want API access for automation? Add another fee. In contrast, a local setup has upfront hardware costs, but drastically lower recurring expenses. For regular users, local AI can be 60 to 70% cheaper over time. You don't pay per prompt, per image, or per model, you just run them. Whether you're a student, indie dev, business analyst, or artist, those savings compound quickly. Cloud-based tools rely on constant connectivity. If your internet slows down, or if their servers are overloaded, you're stuck. But when AI is local, everything happens instantly. From language generation to image creation, you get blazing fast results, because you're skipping the cloud entirely. In real-time applications like code generation, music creation, or interactive storytelling, speed matters. And in disconnected environments like rural labs, studios, or sensitive corporate networks, local AI shines even more. Try customizing ChatGPT's behavior. Want to change the system prompt, switch models, use custom workflows? You're stuck with what the provider offers. But with OpenWebUI and LiteLLM, you can switch between models like Ollama, Gemma, or Mistral instantly, build your own personas, and fine-tune models on your own data. With Comfy UI, you can build visual pipelines for image generation, chain modules together for automated tasks, and integrate other AI tools for advanced results. This level of customization is unmatched. It's like comparing a locked iPhone to a fully modded Linux workstation. What if OpenAI changes their pricing model tomorrow? What if your favorite feature gets removed? What if the service is down when you need it most? With your own stack, you're independent. No more policy changes, forced upgrades, or service outages. You own your infrastructure. It's the same reason companies run their own servers instead of using Google Docs for everything. Control, stability, autonomy. Let's recap. You gain complete control over your data. You slash long-term costs, you eliminate latency and downtime, you customize your tools to fit your needs, and you're no longer at the mercy of third-party policies. That's not just a technical upgrade, it's a philosophical shift. In an AI-driven world, owning your tools means owning your future. Whether you're building apps, writing stories, generating art, analyzing business data, or automating your workflow, this is how you take the next step. So, are you ready to own your AI? If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more deep dives like this. Your support keeps us going.